Hi guys, Eden here of Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today, for the very first time, gagawa ako ng minatamis na sabaw with langka. Now, I prefer to put some langka because why not, diba? Napakasarap na may langka ang isang pagkain or merienda kinakain natin, diba? Now, for the ingredients, we have 5 pieces of saba na hinati ko ng patatlong slice, 1 cup of langka, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sago, and this is 3 cups of water. Now, I'll be not using the whole water, maybe mga 2 cups lang yan. Tatansyahin ko lang din. Okay? So guys, as I always say before we start, please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes for more Filipino dessert and merienda. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. And please, I encourage you to give your feedback, comments, suggestions, reactions, violent reactions man kung meron din on the comment sections down below, and I'll be more happy to see and read your comments. Okay, so without further ado, let's start making this merienda.
Okay guys, here na ang minatamis na sabaw with langka. Sabi ni Habi, masabaw daw. Bango. Let's taste. Gusto ko na yung langka. Okay, bon appetit. Yum, yum, yum.